Here's MileIQ mileage tracker and login app. So just open it up. And yeah, this is one of the top apps to track miles, whether you need them for IRS, for your work, for some other purpose. And it's very convenient. It automatically tracks your driving miles. So here you just need to set your permissions, and then it pushes you to upgrade. There is annual, $59.99 for annual, or there is monthly subscription, and then yeah, you can just start to drive. So here you can just tap to add drives. If you want, you can add a personal drive, for example, like this. You can choose the vehicle. So yeah. So for example, central. Something like that. Let's add it. Something like that, and then I just can add this drive. I can see how many miles it has, and then yeah, it's just added, and then I can go there and probably edit it. So then, for example, if I want to change it to personal or to business, then like I can see number of payments available, and yeah, so but this app, if you change your location to always be tracking, it automatically will be tracking. However, of course, your phone can be charging, like you will need to charge your phone a lot, I guess, if you change your settings here. Like yeah, if you use MileIQ app, and it should always track your location. Probably it will wear out your battery a bit. I'm not sure about that. It's just like my suggestion. So yeah, that's that. And then you just see this. Then you have account settings. You can allow notifications. And then yeah, here you can just see all other settings. Yeah, so that's basically the idea. You have some limited drives remaining per month. If you want to get unlimited drives, then you will need to go and upgrade. So you'll need to upgrade here, and it works automatically in the upgraded version. So yeah, that's just an overview. Definitely a cool app in this category.